Hello, I'm Chef Dan with Ripple Foods. We're so excited to have you join us today in the kitchen. We are going to be looking at some really incredible options of what you can do with Ripple Foods. And you may be wondering, what is Ripple Foods? It is a new name to the counter. It's a really exciting new product to work with. I can tell you, it is the true alternative to dairy. It is that one-to-one replacement. It's just a no-brainer when it comes to offering your guests that simple, non-dairy alternative. This is the option that doesn't give you strange flavors or unique things that you have to mask up. It is just straight, use it, as simple as that. And so some of the things that we want to make sure that we share with you today are the ways that we're going to use it. There's some really simple ways we're going to play with it, and then we're going to show you a little bit more complex. In this presentation, we're focusing on some desserts, as you can see in front of us, some pretty exciting things to show. And you know, some of the cool things to understand about desserts and dairy-free is that consumers are really striving to try and actually experiment a lot more with dairy-free options. In addition to the number of folks that are actually focused on trying to eat dairy-free, as well as the amount of indulgence that your consumers are going for has been on the increase over the last 4 years. So we think this is a great time to experience Ripple Foods and show you some of the things that we can do with it. Just as a side note, I want to make sure you understand, if you are looking at trying Ripple Foods in your home, it's available nationwide in a great amount of different national retail stores. And then if you're one of our food service professionals and you want to use this in your restaurant, you can go to ripplefoodservice.com, take a look at some of the information there. It's also available on Dot Foods, so it's really easy to get a hold of, and I would really recommend that this is the opportunity you work with Ripple Foods and give it a try. So what we have today is a real simple idea. We're going to do a milkshake. Let me grab for you. We got our milkshake out, we got our prep together. We're going to put this in just like any old milkshake. We're going to grab our vanilla here. We're going to dump this right into our container. You let this sit out just for a minute, slightly tempers, just like any ice cream. And it pretty much is that easy to scoop right out and go in. It looks like ice cream, tastes like ice cream. You will not notice the difference, I promise you that. So we're going to set that down. And then we're going to pair the vanilla ice cream up. Keep it real simple, real classic. And we're going to use the vanilla Ripple brand ice cream milk. So we got about a little over a half a pint of the ice cream mix here. And we're going to go in with about 6 ounces of our vanilla milk. Cover that up. And we're going to put it in our blender and just put it on a simple blending shake. So we'll let that go. We're going to do about 24 seconds of blending. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. So we take this out. Man, this is such a good combination. So creamy, so delicious. We're going to simply pour it in, let you see how that looks. There's no mistaking that you have a classic vanilla milkshake here. And then we're just simply going to finish it off here with the straw, paper straw. Keep in mind the consumers, it's that simple. Now, you may see something a little bit more exciting right here. We're going to go from simple and classic to a little bit more wild. And what we're looking at there is a freak shake. So if you haven't seen a freak shake before, these are really popular. There's specialty boutique shops in New York City, throughout the country, that feature these. And it's just as easy to make as your simple, iconic, classic milkshake. This one is a double chocolate mint milkshake. So we're going to actually use an entire pint of the Ripple mint ice cream right in here. So we're going to see, when we got vanilla on here, it's not going to really change the flavor profile. And we're going to deposit that into the blender. And we're also going to feature with this, because I said double chocolate, you got these beautiful chunks of chocolate chip in here that really make it taste amazing. But we're also going to add into this some of our chocolate Ripple milk. This is so creamy and indulgent. It adds an extra layer of decadence to it. And then there's some shops out there that we've seen happening that are really on trend, that do fun things. And one of those shops is Portillo's in Chicago. And they're famous for putting a piece of cake into their shake. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to really boost that flavor up, make it exciting. We're going to add in here about 6 ounces of the chocolate Ripple. Looks like we're just shy there. And again, it's just really that easy. While that's blending, we're gonna do a little prep. As you see, we decorated, made it fun. The whole thing of a freak shake is over the top, crazy indulgence, and kind of get something that you wouldn't normally think of making at home. So you can add just about anything you want to these. This one in particular is double chocolate mint chip. I've got some prep out here. Let me get rid of this. Just to kind of make it fun. So we're gonna work with a little bit of a non-dairy icing. And what that's for is to help us create that really cool decadent ridge. So you just kind of get your spatula. You can use the back of a spoon. Restaurant operators are probably gonna have an offset spatula like this to work through it. And once you decorate that up and get it on there, that's just gonna kind of give you that tasty glue that you can eat. And we're gonna put it into some cookie crumbs, and you just kind of mash it around. And you get your bowl all ready, your vessel for serving. It looks awesome. It's super decadent. It also kind of helps keep everything in there because you get a little crazy with what you're going to put in here because it's fun. And then we're going to add this to our milkshake. I'll tell you what, the dark chocolate, the piece of cake adds a lot of texture, a lot of fun into this. So you just, I don't know if you can see that, just pouring. It's so creamy and so delicious. You don't want to go all the way to the top because you got stuff to put in there. We've got a whole bunch of assortments of fun things that we're going to create in there. Be sure you have a little non-dairy whip. This makes it a little bit more fun to hold stuff on. As you can see, it gets messy, it gets crazy, and you can do whatever you want with this. So we added some fun items on here. We've got some chocolate wafers, and it's okay if this gets kind of drippy and messes all over the place because it's a freak shake. This is what people are looking for, that excitement, craziness, that drizzly. We've got some chocolate curls. We're going to put these on top of here and be fun and kind of fancy-free with it. We also throw in a little bit of, because it's meant to keep with the color theme, some Twizzlers. You can actually drink your shake out of those Twizzler straws. So just a fun thing to do with this. I know it's sloppy, I know it's messy, but it's exciting, and it's a fun way to play with your freak shake and get your freak on with your ice cream and ripple. So we're going to move this over. I know it's a little messy, messier than the one I made earlier. So you can see the excitement in what we do with this. Let me wipe this up real quick, and then I'm going to show you guys a really simple way to take this out of your traditional shake and put it into an ice cream dessert. So what I've done is I've taken Ripple and I've put it into these molds. So simple silicone molds. So you guys, what you do for this, it's really easy. A little bit of tempering, and they set out. You can see these got to go back in the freezer to get nice and tight, but they just simply soften them. Use your offset spatula to, the same one here, to set them off nice and firm, and when they're frozen, you flip them together. So you can see I've got some options. You can do some different colors. You can work with just about any of the Ripple ice. Well, you can work with any of them. We got the cookie chip one. We've got the vanilla one. We've got the chocolate and cookie dough. So we're going to pick one of these up just like this. A simple plating like that. Really fun and elegant, and it takes something that's so simple and makes it a little bit more exciting and alive. And then we're going to add some chocolate cookie crumble too. So this is actually some brownie. You can do cookie dough. You can do anything you want with this, but this is kind of just a fun way to add that decadence and really kind of, offer those cooked burnt ends of your brownie on your plate when your desserts going for your restaurant and your bakery department's got some extra stuff. Or let your kids crumble it up and have fun. And then you can just throw it on some nice hot fudge, get that drizzling. And man, you just can't go wrong with something exciting and as simple as a double chocolate cookie ice cream cake made with Ripple ice cream. So this is kind of the fun, exciting ways you can play with your Ripple. It can be classic milkshakes, freak shakes, ice cream cakes, just a variety of different things, and let your imagination fly. And remember, if you're looking for this in the grocery stores, it's available in all national brands, or you can go to ripplefoods.com and you can find this with the location finder, and it'll show you a store that carries it near you. Or if you're in the food service business and you're a chef like myself, go to ripplefoodsservice.com, and you can even request your own free samples from that, and they'll be right over to your restaurant for you before you order some for your menu. or Dot Foods is another location. So let me mention also there's a opportunity for those ice cream shops that we have the ability to make 5-liter tubs as well as the pints that you see here. Guys, we thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed what Ripple Foods can do with you and your restaurant and make your menu exciting. Take care.